Hey guys, what's happening? How to connect Xiaomi Smart Band 9 with Google Fit. To connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 to Google Fit, you need to link them through MyFitness app. By going to the MyFitness app, hit your profile at the bottom right, selecting third-party data, okay? Choosing Google Fit, and you'll be presented with options, obviously, and you're going to choose Google Fit and grant permissions to sync your activity data like steps, heart rate, and sleep. Unfortunately, I don't have Xiaomi account, but if you do, just connect your Xiaomi account with MyFitness and do as I said, like select the third-party data and choose Google Fit, and automatically you're going to grant them access to sync your activity data like steps and all that stuff, right? So always ensure both the MyFitness and Google Fit apps are updated. So, and you use the same Google account for both devices to establish the connection smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.